In today's video, we're going to be exploring the IFERROR function within Excel, how it's useful, and when and where you might use it. So in this example here, I took 25 Major League Baseball players that had exactly 100 at-bats. And what I want to see is, of these 25, how many at-bats does it take on average before they hit a home run? So we're going to add a new column over here. We're just going to put at-bat home run. And then we'll do a simple calculation. We'll say equals the at-bats divided by home runs, and that's 50, and that checks out. So now what we want to do is we just want to drag it down and see the average. Well, we get some errors here because, as you can see, we have people with no home runs. Well, maybe we're not worried about that, but if we come over here and we highlight the entire column, we don't get any data. It just tells us there's 25 players. So that's not going to help us. So what we need to do is, let's undo that. Go back to our data set. Now we need to throw in the if error. So we're going to start off with if error bracket. Our value is going to be at-bats divided by home runs, but now we need to tell it what to do if there's an error. So we put comma, quotes, and in this case, we're going to put no home runs. In quotes, in bracket, enter. And again, we get the same result because there was no error. Go back to the 50, double click on it, and as you can see, we have data all the way down, and then the ones we don't, it says no home runs. Now, if we take the entire column and highlight it, it recognizes there's data in every cell now, because now we have roughly 59 as an average of those that hit home runs.